Hey, what's up, guys? Carlo here. Cold emails. We always get them. We all get them. We all have our spam folders, our promotion folders full of them. So, how can you do a really good cold email that actually gets open and that actually gets you clients? I'm gonna tell you some tips that I learned in order to get your cold email to be as successful as possible. So, first, you need to know where those emails come from. So I see cold emails just like a conversation on Messenger. Let's say that you're sending friend requests to people and you want them to buy you something, right? First, you need to build up a relationship and see if they apply for your offer or for your product, right? If not, it's not worth anything and you're actually losing more money. So you want the right people, and in order to do that you need to test and see what are their interests. So I saw a really cool example of a cold email, and they'll tell you just like, hey, I noticed you like this topic and you're interested in this or this, or any type of information you have. Let's say with the Facebook example, you see their profile page and you know that they like copywriting, that they like e-commerce, affiliate, anything, and you tell them like, hey, I noticed you like this, so my product applies to this. So you avoid losing time and you just get the right information, and you tell them like, hey, watch this video I made about this and this, or I think this can help you out because you like this. So be really specific and try to give some value first and build a relationship, so the ones that actually respond are better leads, right? You don't want everyone to respond to you if they are not gonna buy it, because you're gonna lose time. You're gonna be people asking like, what is this? I don't understand, all this kind of stuff. So try to be really clear and try to not be so pushy. We hate those emails that tell you like, please buy now, do this and this and this, and they're so pushy. So the ones that I've noticed that work the best are the ones that are light-hearted, that are basically like off pressure. Like they just tell you like, hey, you can watch this video, they give you some cool information, and then here's the key, guys, follow them up. You need to follow up in some way. Like, hey, I noticed you saw my video, you saw my content, you saw this thing that I sent you, and are you interested in knowing more, right? We can jump on a call, we can do this and this, but you can't assume right off the bat like you want to be in a call with them. Let's say a lot of people tell you like, hey, this is my product, I want to get you on a call with you, let's do this and this and this, but you don't know if they want or need your product, right? So it will be a huge waste of time if you end up getting on that call, and also getting on a call might be too pushy for a cold email. So start by saying hello, right? Start by introducing yourself and being really clear of what you do and what you are, because you want just the right people. So the cold emails purpose is not to close people or to sell. Obviously you can sell and it'll be really good, but is to learn from your prospect, especially if you want like long-term clients. Especially let's say in copywriting, and you want to get the client, you want to see if it's the proper person for your service. You don't want to close them right away. You want to see if they apply to you, right? Be kind of in this abundant mentality, like, do they apply to me? Don't be in that mindset of, yes, I want money from everyone and that's it, but more of building a real relationship, and then you can resell them and resell them forever, right? It is 10 times better to sell them on again and again and again than just sell them one time, right? Build the relationship even though it takes longer. Okay, also guys, if you liked these free trainings, please make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more of them in the future. Also, if you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. I answer to any one of them. If you want anything more personalized, if you want any tips, any things, just follow me up and I for sure will help you out. So I hope you understand about the magic about cold email. And an extra tip, you can send them also a lead magnet. What is lead magnet? Is basically giving them some value, something that they appreciate, that is gonna help them out in order to also get more information about them, right? So give them maybe a PDF. If you know, for example, copywriting, I can send them a list of my top power words, of my top headlines, of the top niches, or something that I do to give them some value and get more information about them, so they're also expecting me in the future. You can also maybe tell them like, hey, I'm gonna keep sending you emails, I'm gonna keep doing this and this if you want, so they expect it and they open, and your open rates go up. So I hope this helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you back tomorrow.